Hello there, Sarah Aderson of expandyourheart.org here. Thank you so much for joining me. And what I do, a little bit about me before we get into these products that sell like hotcakes that you and every other entrepreneur should create. Let me share with you who I am and who I serve. So, I empower purposeful entrepreneurs to charge what they're worth. And I do that by helping them to transform their services into digital and physical products. So thank you so much for joining me. And so I wanted to talk to you today about, like I said, these products are selling like hotcakes everywhere. And I won't keep you in suspense any longer. And that is journals, or what we call no or low content or zero content books, right? And because when you think of a journal, what's in it? Lines. So something as simple as putting in lines, it can really be a great revenue stream for you. And I even, I have some, of course, as a product creator, I have some to show you. So this is one of my journals that I have, and even with, very little marketing done for it, what's in it? You see that? There's an affirmation at the top and then lines. That's it. The whole book. All right. Okay. There's a picture of a heart, but this is what's called a low content book. Almost none, right? Something so simple as that, because the purchaser, the customer, is going to create the content. That's what it's about. Another idea is a planner. All right. This is one of my planners, and I like the paperback versions, but of course you can also do spiral bound, and there's so many different options, but this one has more content in it, right? But still it's the same thing on every page, except that there's the day changes and there's a different quote, but everything else stays the same for each page. So low content books. These are products that can be created easily on Microsoft Word. You can do these on canva.com. You can do them in PowerPoint. Anything that you're comfortable with, you can do these easily and get them out there. You can publish them onto CreateSpace or Ingram Spark. That's an option for you. You can self-publish them. You don't need to go to anyone else. You can do these very, very easily. And the thing about low content or zero content books is that your customers are going to come back again and again and again. If you are a journaler like I am, right? In planners, you buy them over and over. I can't tell you how many I have. Okay, I won't tell you how many I have, but sometimes I just buy them for the cover because the cover is pretty or it has a great inspiring quote on it. Just the cover alone will get me and many others to purchase it. And then I don't need just one, I need another one. I need one for, one just for my thoughts. I may need another one for an art journal. I may need another one for a business planner. Just so many things. I have different needs. And then, of course, eventually the book is going to get filled up. So then I'm going to need another one. Hi, Nicole. Yay. Hi, Nicole. Talking about great no content or low content books. And so I'll show you again since you're just joining us. Yay. But journals are a great way to earn passive income. And I was showing one of mine, which even with little marketing or anything that you have to do, it's just lines, really light lines and a quote or affirmation at the top and then a picture of a heart because it's about Expand Your Heart, which is my company name. But low content, almost none at all, and super easy to create. And every single entrepreneur should have something like this. And you want to create something that serves your client, right? Don't just create a journal just because it's a great seller. Create something that they can use. So if you're a fitness coach, why not create a food journal? or a food log or food tracker, whatever works, right? Whatever terminology works for you and your clients, but create something like that. And essentially what you have, every time they pull out your journal or your planner or your log, they're going to be advertising for you, because somebody's going to say, whoa, what are you writing in? What's that? And then when they see it, they're going to get a part of you. You know, they'll look inside and they'll say, oh, where'd you get that from? And then now you have word of mouth marketing working for you. So it's very easy to create. I think my journal is about 180 pages, right? So if you're a daily journaler, you know, you can really fill this up pretty quickly. And then they'll come back for another one. And they may buy the same one because they like the cover, or they'll buy a different one with a different cover. And so you can actually create a whole series of journals or planners or food logs or travel diaries. I mean, just, it's endless. You know, recipes, everything. So every single entrepreneur can create 0 or low content books, and you should. Okay, so that was my message for you guys today. I have a great free gift for you. If you're interested in creating your online course, I'm going to show you. If you go to expandyourheart.org, you will learn how to do it in 2 hours. Okay, these are insider tips here, right? I'm pulling back the curtain for you because I really want you to get your course out this year. So go to expandyourheart.org and then simply look on the right and enter your email, and you'll get those tips so that you can birth this course. All right. So until next time, thank you so much for tuning in. Go out there and create the life and the empire that you desire. Take care.